keeping you ahead of the curve and informed about the ever-changing real estate market and in the know. This is the Cindy and Michael Show.
Welcome to the Cindy and Michael Show, episode 3. Today's topic is, does the lender you choose matter? Cindy, what do you think? Does the lender you choose really matter?
Absolutely, Michael, it does. So first and foremost, we should understand the difference between lenders. So on one hand, you have your mortgage broker or banker, and then you have a loan officer. A loan officer basically works for one of our larger lending institutions, such as a bank, and they're actually employed by the bank. So they basically take your information in and submit it to the bank for your loan to be approved. And then you have a mortgage broker who's actually licensed to handle loans. And your mortgage broker probably has a little more options as far as loan programs that they can tailor your potential specific needs.
Right. That's a good point. The next step is pre-qualifications and pre-approval letters. They're not the same thing, are they? A lot of people think they're the same, but they're very different.
They actually are. So a pre-qualification means that you've sat down with somebody and you've gone over your basic income and they've taken a look at a few things and they've decided that you're qualified to purchase a home. But they haven't really dug into all of your specifics.
Usually it's verbal, right?
Yeah, it's usually verbal. You can also get a pre-qualification letter, but it's really only worth the piece of paper it's written on. It's not, you really haven't been fully qualified.
Right.
And then there's the pre-approval. So with the pre-approval, you're going to go in and you're going to show proof of income. You're going to show, the lender's going to take a look at your debt to income ratio and all the factors that come in and take play in order for you to qualify for a loan. So when you walk away from that appointment with your pre-approval, you're going to know the exact amount that you're actually qualified to purchase a home at.
You'll want to actually know you're going to be approved before you start looking at houses. To where if you have a pre-qualification letter, you may find out 3 weeks into escrow that you don't qualify. You don't want to be in that situation.
Yeah, Michael, we do see that happen with other people's transactions, don't we?
A few too many times, yeah.
Yeah, and that's a really sad time to find out that you weren't actually qualified to purchase a home.
So do the right thing. Get your pre-qualifications up front and approved. The pre-approval letter is going to make all the difference in the world. And you can even take it a step further, can't you?
Yeah, so you can take it a step further, and what we always highly recommend is that you get what's known as DU approval, which is desktop underwriting. And that's where everything is taken a look at and your ratios are sent back to you according to Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac guidelines. And that's the strongest form of approval that you can have because the lender knows exactly what needs to be turned in by you for you to be completely approved for the loan. So it's always best to get a DU or desktop underwriting.
And it makes you look so much stronger when you're sending in offers on homes because you want to give yourself the best opportunity to get that offer accepted when you write it. You're going to love a home? Let's put our best foot forward.
Absolutely.
So it absolutely matters which lender you use. There's a few different options and there's a few different things that can go bad and right, but you want to give yourself the best option.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for watching episode 3 of the Cindy and Michael Show. We'll see you guys next week.
Bye-bye.